Good morning, viewers. Wherever you are watching from, maybe it is afternoon. I say very good afternoon to you. This evening, good evening. It is night. Good night. When we brought in our 200 layers bed, the average weight there was 27 grams. So today, the birds are 1 week old. So we want to check how their feeding ability has been from day old. So if you check, we have almost fed them with 25 kilograms of chukun feed. So we shall be checking approximately 5 of them to see their average weight. So we'll be picking at random to just get their average weight at week 1. So let me pick from here.